This one thing could be the difference on whether you're successful in purchasing your very next home or whether you failed or your offer isn't accepted in purchasing your guys' very next home. My name is Peter G. I'm a licensed realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and a property manager owner overseeing 58 units with my own company. This one thing you want to do before you even start looking for a home, before you even start looking for an agent, is getting pre-approved, okay? So what you want to do is you want to find either a lender or a broker, someone that helps you determine what you can actually afford when house shopping. Now, if you don't even know where to start for that, I'll send another video and give some advice or guidance on how you can properly find a good broker or a good lender. Starting with your bank is the obvious one, but the important thing here is actually getting pre-approved before you start shopping for agents and before you start shopping for your home. Here are two obvious reasons as to why you want to make sure that happens. The first obvious one is you need to know how much you can afford before you start making offers on homes, right? So by getting pre-approved, you know what your budget is. You know what window of minimum and window of maximum you have so that you can actually make an offer on a home, actually have it accepted, and actually have it not fall through. But the second, and probably in this particular market, equally important reason for getting pre-approved is it is very much a seller's market here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, which means there are fewer homes on the market than there are buyers looking to buy those homes. So having said that and knowing that, hypothetical situation, when a house goes on for sale and that seller is getting multiple offers, which is happening regularly here in the HRM, they're being presented with 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 offers at the same time. If half of those offers are pre-approved or pre-qualified and the other half aren't pre-approved, all things being similar or all things being equal, they won't even look at those offers that are coming through that aren't pre-approved. And they won't do that because they don't want to accept an offer only to have it fall through because the buyer couldn't actually afford the offer that they were putting in. Okay, can you see how that makes sense? So the one thing that could really make a difference on whether you buy your next home here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, HRM, or you are unsuccessful is getting pre-approved in advance. Again, my name is Peter G. You can email me at peterg@supercityrealty.com for any type of information real estate related, or text me or call me directly at 1-902-817-7117. And of course, you can visit my website at www.meetpeterg.com. Hope this was helpful. I want you guys to enjoy your Monday and the rest of your week.